Hello everyone. On behalf of Bombay Teachers Training College, we celebrate Science Corner, a best practice, under the guidance of our mentor Dr. Rajiv Jha sir. My name is Misbah Patel and today I am going to demonstrate an interesting science experiment, that is concept of density. This experiment is very helpful for the student of class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So let us start with the experiment to understand it better. What is density? The density of an object is the mass of the object compared to its volume. The equation for density is density equals to mass upon volume. SI unit of density is kilogram per cubic meter or gram per milliliter or gram per liter or grams per cubic centimeter. In simple words, density is a measurement of how tightly matter is packed together. In the given image, as we go from left to right, the atoms of first box are widely spreaded and in next boxes, the atoms are filled tightly. So from left to right, we can clearly observe that as the atom or the matter increases, density goes on increasing. So let's begin with our demonstration. For this experiment, we need basic supplies which are easily available in your kitchen. First of all, we require 2 units of glasses. Next, 2 units of eggs. Then salt. Then spoon. And then water. Fill an empty drinking glass about 3/4 full of water. Place an egg into glass of water and watch it sink. Fill another drinking glass about 3/4 full of water. Add 3 tablespoons of salt and stir until it dissolves. Place other egg into glass and watch it float. What happened here? Why does the egg sink in regular tap water but float in salt water? The answer lies in the density of water. As we know that density is a measure of the mass per unit volume of a substance, simply said how much stuff or matter in a given volume. Water has a density of 1 gram per ml or gram per centimeter cube. Objects will float in water if their density is less than 1 gram per ml, and objects will sink in water if their density is greater than 1 gram per ml. The egg will sink in regular tap water because the density of the egg is greater than the density of water. The egg's density is only slightly higher than water at 1.03 gram per ml, but that is enough to make the egg sink. When you add salt to the water, you are increasing the density of the water by adding more mass or the matter in the given volume. You don't really change the volume of the water by adding salt, but by adding enough salt, you increase the density of the water so that it is higher than the density of the egg and the egg will float. Thank you.